OpenAI faced a significant issue as both ChatGPT and Sora experienced downtime. According to the company, the outage occurred on Wednesday, rendering the services unavailable for over 2 hours. By the time of the video release, OpenAI had already found a way to restore functionality, but users were still unable to access the services. This disruption coincided with the launch of ChatGPT's integration with Apple's iOS 1.18.2, which may have led to increased server load. Additionally, OpenAI launched Sora earlier that week, and CEO Sam Altman noted that they did not anticipate such high demand. Many users who signed up were unable to create videos due to server overload. Moreover, on the same day, Meta's products also experienced outages, although no connection between these incidents has been established yet. The situation highlights the challenges tech companies face when scaling their services to meet sudden spikes in user interest and demand. As AI tools become more integrated into daily life, ensuring reliability will be crucial for maintaining user trust and satisfaction. OpenAI's new video-generating AI, Sora, has raised concerns among legal experts regarding its training data. While OpenAI has not disclosed the specific datasets used, indications suggest that Sora may have been trained on content from Twitch streams and video game playthroughs. This speculation arises from Sora's ability to generate videos resembling popular games, including a Super Mario Bros. Clone and first-person shooter footage reminiscent of titles like Call of Duty. The potential use of copyrighted game content in Sora's training data could lead to significant legal issues. Experts warn that using unlicensed footage from game playthroughs poses risks, as it likely includes copyrighted materials from both game developers and players. The complexity increases with user-generated content, which may involve multiple copyright holders. As generative AI continues to evolve, the implications for copyright law are profound, particularly in the gaming industry. Legal battles over the use of such content could reshape how AI companies operate and interact with intellectual property rights. Google DeepMind has introduced a new technology called Genie 2, which can create playable 3D worlds based on simple images. This innovative model enhances the quality of lighting and reflections in these environments, and can even generate videos from real-world images. Genie 2 can also create animated characters that interact with the 3D world. For example, these characters can pop balloons, open doors, and engage with other non-playable characters. This feature makes the generated environments more dynamic and engaging. DeepMind believes that Genie 2 will be valuable for training AI agents. Video games provide a unique way to test and develop AI because they present various challenges in a safe setting. By using these AI-generated worlds, researchers can better understand how agents behave and improve their performance. Overall, Genie 2 represents an exciting step forward in creating interactive environments for both entertainment and AI research. OpenAI has launched an exciting update called Canvas, an interactive editor for text and code. This new tool allows users to edit their work directly with the help of AI. For example, if you highlight a section of text or code, Canvas can suggest improvements or corrections. One of the standout features is the ability to run Python code directly in the browser. This means users can test their code in real time without needing separate software like Visual Studio Code. Additionally, Canvas provides AI-generated comments and suggestions, helping users refine their writing or coding style. For instance, if you want your text to sound more friendly, Canvas can make those adjustments for you. Currently, Canvas is available to all ChatGPT users, enhancing the way people interact with AI. As OpenAI continues its series of updates, many are eager to see what new features will come next and how programmers will respond to this innovative tool. This was the 4th day out of 12 that OpenAI planned. So far, the presentations are going very cool and thoughtfully. I look at it from the point of view of attracting a new target audience to the technology, and at the moment, they are very carefully scattering slightly intersecting layers of target audiences. I wonder what awaits us next. Apple is upgrading Siri with new features thanks to its latest technology, Apple Intelligence. This update, part of the iOS 18 release, allows Siri to answer more questions and understand users better. For instance, if you ask for recipe ideas using ingredients from your garden, Siri can now use ChatGPT to provide suggestions without needing a separate account. Siri has improved its language skills, meaning it can understand you even if you make mistakes while speaking. You can ask follow-up questions without repeating the context, making making conversations smoother. Additionally, you can now type your questions to Siri, which is useful in quiet or noisy environments. Siri also has more knowledge about Apple products, so you can ask for help with features on your iPhone or iPad. Soon, Siri will be able to remember personal details and take actions based on what's on your screen, making it even more helpful in everyday tasks. Overall, these updates aim to enhance user experience and make Siri more intuitive. OpenAI has shared how it uses your data when you access ChatGPT through Apple devices like iPhones and iPads. If you use ChatGPT without logging in, OpenAI doesn't collect personal information, such as your IP address or the questions you ask. For example, if you ask, "What's the weather today?" that question isn't saved. If you log into your ChatGPT account while using Apple's integration, OpenAI collects more information. This includes your IP address and details about your device. So if you log in and ask a question, OpenAI knows it came from your device. You can also choose whether to save your conversations or let OpenAI use them to improve the AI. If you set your preferences to not save chats before, those choices will still apply. Plus, if your ChatGPT settings indicate that you don't want your conversations to be used to train OpenAI's models, then the same applies to your interactions with ChatGPT through Apple's integrations. Once you connect your account, OpenAI will make some information about your ChatGPT account available on your device in order to connect your account. This information includes your name, email address, profile image, any workspace names, and your billing plan. Apple has introduced a fun new feature called Genmoji in its latest iOS 18.2 update, allowing users to create custom emojis. This feature was first revealed at WWDC 2024 and is now available for everyone. With Genmoji, you can generate unique emojis by simply typing a description, like a sloth wearing a suit and tie. You can also create emojis based on photos of people. To use Genmoji, ensure that Apple Intelligence is enabled on your device. Open the Messages app, start a new chat, and access the emoji keyboard. Type your prompt into the search bar and select Create New Emoji. In just a few seconds, you'll see several versions of your custom emoji. To save your favorite, tap Add. Genmoji works on various Apple devices, including the iPhone 15 and iPad models with Apple Silicon chips. This feature is currently available in English and will expand to other languages by 2025. YouTube has launched a new auto-dubbing feature that allows creators to add translated audio tracks to their videos. This tool, first introduced at VidCon last year, is now available for many more channels, especially those focused on educational content like cooking or sewing tutorials. The goal is to make videos more accessible to viewers around the world. To use this feature, creators just need to upload their video as usual. YouTube will automatically detect the original language and create dubbed versions in several languages, including English, Spanish, French, and more. The technology behind this feature uses Google's Gemini to mimic human speech. However, YouTube warns that the auto-dubbing may not always be perfect. Sometimes the translations might be off, or the voice may not match the original speaker accurately. The company appreciates user feedback as they work on improving this feature. Additionally, an upcoming update called Expressive Speech will help better capture the creator's tone and emotions in the dubbed audio.